How to add pages list on your WordPress website footer section. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video. And in this video, we're going to be learning on how you can add pages list on your WordPress website footer. Now, when it comes to actually, adding proper WordPress website widgets, the best things that you can add are actual, lists or links or navigations, okay? And obviously, we're going to be working in a footer section, and footer section, although isn't, hugely used, but a lot of people come to the footer section for, contact us, help, or section, or, actually navigation. And so I'm going to be telling you how to add your, page lists and all the different categories that your pages has in that list. Okay, we're going to be talking about all of that in great depth and detail. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end to get the whole in-depth and detailed analysis of how you're going to work with this. So to start things off, what we're going to be doing is obviously you're going to come over to your WordPress, and over here, there's two different ways you can do this for yourself. Okay, first of all, you could have an external add-on or a plugin, and that could be Elementor or, any other plugin that you could potentially have. Okay, so you can either use that or you can do this directly through the Elementor's actual, plugin that it provides you. Not Elementor's plugin, the actual plugin that WordPress provides you. So we could be using all those things, and it's going to be really easy, really simple to work with this. So please do make sure to fully watch this video till the end to get the in-depth and detailed analysis of how things work. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. Now, to start things off, basically, once you are over here into your WordPress.com, over here, you can basically create different menus and mess with different things. So once you have a theme for your page, you're going to go into appearance. And once you go into your appearance, you're going to go into your editor. And once you go into your editor, it brings you here to the whole editorial settings where it takes you to your footers and stuff. So you can edit your appearance with the different types of footers that you have. Okay. And over here, there's navigation, styles, interpretations, and a whole lot of that. So let's say I'm going to go with these page lists, okay? And you can start adding these page lists into your footer by just detaching them. Page list is synced with the published pages on your site. Detach the page list to add, delete, or reorder pages yourself. Obviously, you can do that. Then there's pages with different navigations, and there's different things that you can add. So here you can see the template that you can add for this page is for obviously these main pages that you have, but you can obviously add details about this over here, down here as well. Then moving on, there's different pages like latest news, donate here, account page that you can mess around with, and you can manage all pages differently by adding them into the footer section with the list as well. But yeah, obviously add these reviews over here, or what you can do is you can actually go into the appearance settings. You can go into customize appearance. Like if I come here, and after coming here, it's going to say customize the appearance. So obviously I'm going to go ahead and customize the appearance. And over there, it's going to give us an option where it says select a menu to edit. So in my case, obviously I want to edit the footer menu. So here we go, menus. And then we go into that. I'm going to go into the main menu. Obviously there's that. Then there's the primary menu. And the primary menu, you can go into the menu locations with the primary locations. Obviously, this is the main menu with the main locations, the main navigations basically, but you can also come to the bottom menu with the bottom footer, and you can use the site editor. But I'm going to go ahead and create a new menu. I'm going to call this the footer, obviously. And in the footer, I'm going to click on next. And in this, we're going to start adding items. So obviously, we're going to add list of our pages, right? So I'm going to add the home page, and we're going to add the account page, because why not, checkout page, cart page, and latest news. And then you can also start adding different lists of things in this. Then obviously once you've added these navigations, if we close this, we're going to see that the footer menu is going to appear somewhere, but we can't really see it, can we? So what you can do is you can go ahead into the site editor, and if you go into the site editor, it's going to allow us to basically add this footer menu to the bottom. Okay. And for that, obviously, you're going to need to create a proper footer in the bottom. So do make sure that you choose the styles of the footer. So obviously, go with a proper style or whatever footer menu you want to choose. And once you've gone with the proper style, obviously, you're also going to want to choose a template that supports a footer. Now, in some cases, some you could say templates do not support footers, so obviously go with a decent template with a decent footer, you could say support. And then once you've done your changes, you can review these two changes. If you like them, you can save them and then add your footer down here. And again, this is a very important detail that people miss out. If you have a template that does not support footers, then obviously this is not going to work for you. Supporting footers is, the more important part. Then moving on, basically what you can do is obviously come into more of this, footer editing and menu editing essentially. Okay, so to get into more detail in that, you can use different, you could say, editable add-ons and plugins that are going to help you with the, whole footer editing as well, because those are probably most definitely made for these features. So just go ahead with those kind of features as well. And the editing of footers is going to be really easy and really simple for you. So really incredible stuff. And again, do remember to have a good plan for yourself as well. If you don't have a good plan, then it's not exactly the easiest to work with this. So yeah, basically that is how you are going to add lists. Now moving on, you could also go with the plugins. If I were to go over to plugins, you could like write in footer over here, and this give you footer menu plugins. And here you can see Elementor header and footer builder. Now header and footer builder basically allows you to do the same thing that we're doing, add lists of pages into your design. And the reason, again, you add lists into your design is to allow your audience to navigate much more simply and easily, So it's really simple to work with this. It's really great to work with this, and everything, just works out really fine when you're working with WordPress's very own editor. So yeah, that's about it. That is how you're going to be able to add navigation and lists into your footer for better working. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.